Good evening, guys. This is Kunika Gupta in front of you. I would like to say you thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and I take this opportunity and I want to say something about my today's topic, that is say thanks to our parents. Actually, the thanks is a small word for my parents because they means a lot for me, because I heard a line, or you can say that I read a line somewhere, that God can't live with us all the time and they can't care for us all the time. That's why they made parents. And in my condition or situation, my parents are my real gods, because I can't see God still now, but yeah, I can say that I saw my parents regularly. So they are my parents, to my equal to my God. They made a lot of sacrifice for me. Still, sometime I argue with them, I annoyed them, I hurt them, but they forgot all of them, and they regularly do many things for me without any expectation, without any demand. They want nothing from me, but they want love from me only. Sometimes I forgot about their sacrifice, so that is my bad thing about me, but they meant a lot for me. I just want to share a real story of my life from here. When I took birth in this world, I was so weak and I was so ill. No one is in my support. Doctors also told to my parents that I can't live because my condition is so critical. My grandmother believes in superstitions. She asked to the priest. Then priest also told that I will not live more than 1 or 2 months. My relatives are totally against of me. They told to my parents to leave me in the hospital. Still, my father told to all of them that I want my child alive in my life. They both make a lot of sacrifice for me. Still, at that time, my parents are facing financial condition problem, so that is a tough time for them. Still, they brought me every place where they can save my life. After 6 months, when they feel that I was okay and I will alive, I will sacrifice or survive in this country, on this world, so they was assured. After that time, they take a rest. I am not able to remember that moment because I am not in that condition that time. But whenever my mother told me that condition and situation, she was emotionally and start crying. So that feels me so sad that my parents made lots of sacrifice for me. Still, I annoyed sometime. I argue with them without any reason. I made them cry, but still they are loving me continuously. So that's why I love my parents so much. And from last 4 years, I am living alone. I am living here alone, and I miss them very much. So I just want to say you thanks, Mama, Papa. Because of you only, I am here, I am alive, and I am surviving and getting a good position regularly and progressing. So thank you, Mama, Papa. Thank you to all.